Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to revise class 12 physics first chapter, that is electric charges and fields. So let's start with what are electric charges? Electric charges are nothing but property of mass by which it experiences force in electric and magnetic field. So for example, if you keep any mass in electric field or in magnetic field, then it will experience some force just by keeping it. It will experience some force, and that property is called electric charges, and it is represented by Q. Now, what is the neutral body? So neutral body is something which has equal amount of positive and negative charge. So basically it's a body which has equal amount of positive and negative charges. Many students have a misconception that neutral body means a body which has zero charges, which has no charges, and this is false. So actually the reality is that neutral body has positive and negative charges both, but in equal amounts, so that both the charges cancel each other and the net charge is zero. So there is charge, but the net charge is zero. Okay, and how do we charge a body, or you can say how to change the neutrality of a body? So for that we add or remove electrons. Now you must think that why are we removing or adding electrons? Why not protons? So actually protons are bounded in nucleus, so you can't really take it out from the nucleus, so that seems difficult. So we add or remove electrons, and this is how we change the neutrality of a neutral body. Now let's talk about some important values that you must learn. It is mass of electron, mass of proton, charge on electron, and charge on proton. So as you can see on the screen, learn it because it will really help you further in this chapter. So that is it for today's video. We will continue this chapter in our further videos. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.